So guys, how to create multicolor border in HTML is really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have the output. As you can see, inside the body we have a simple div with the class name container, and inside the style section where we put our CSS code, there we call for this container dot container. Inside we have our div properties like width, height and the background color. Now to add multicolor border, we need to add box dash shadow clone enter right inset. Because we want to add border inside the div, not outside. Then other parameters 0 0 0, the border width suppose 5 pixel, then the border color, let's give it green color, comma, copy the line. Suppose we want to have 3 colors, for that second color, third color, last one change from comma to semicolon. Then the border width 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, and the colors suppose gray, yellow, and we are done. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.